wish you a memorable birthday.
We just wanted to record a short video to make your birthday a little bit more special. We wish that you guys are doing well and we hope for more success for you in the future.
Enjoy your day. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Niña. We love you.
Happy birthday, bro! 60 ka na, nauna ka na sa amin.
Malapit na kami, ilang months na lang. Enjoy your day, bro.
Good health always, mag-iingat lagi.
Okay, see you soon. Take care.
Bye!
Happy birthday, inaanak. Sana madagdagan pa yung ano natin, mga lakas natin, lalo na si mother. Happy birthday ha. Mag-iingat kayo dyan lagi.
Hi.
Happy birthday!
Ninya.
Basta na kayo dyan. Happy birthday! Lagi mag-iingat. Salamat!
Hi everyone! How's the party tonight? My name is Neymar from Philippines. I'm the brother from the Legion of Mary of Athens. Happy 50th birthday to you, my dear sisters. Thank you for everything that you've helped for the Legion of Mary family. I wish you nothing but good health and success in the future.
Happy birthday, Niña. Tutay. Tutay. Tutay.
Hi, Ate Ninya. Happy birthday. Sayang di tayo nakita ng last uwi niyo dito. Nangingitlog na kasi ako noon anytime. Ito na pala yung initlog ko. Wait lang, kukunin ko initlog ko. Si Color. Ito na pala ang aking initlog. Si Color. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Ingat kayo palagi. Birthday, Ninya.
Happy birthday po, Tita Ninya.
I hope you enjoy your party on Sunday.
I'm all about that